How y'all doing? My name is Paul Helling. Thank you for checking out my ad. Today we have a beautiful 2009 Chevy Aveo red. What else could you ask for, folks? Go ahead and open her up and take a look inside. Beautiful manual, 5-speed, just a gas sipper if you're looking for a great commuter car, maybe a first car for a family member. We'd love to earn your business. My name is Paul Helling once again, 206-446-5568. This bad boy's passed a 150-point inspection at our award-winning service department. If you'd like to go ahead and just come down, give me a call.